learn how to do report writing is like crucial. You got to really have that down pat. And learning how to write ROEs, rules of engagement, and SOPs, standard operating procedure for all your penetration tests. So those things are annoying to do, but they are a necessity in this field.
Right, yeah, report writing that especially if you're working for a client, like that's the product that you're delivering, and I um definitely agree with you there, like how important report writing is.
Especially as a consultant. I've been a consultant for several years with different companies, and it's really it's a difficult challenge because you're dealing with different customers with different environments every single time, and every single time it's a new challenge. And so the report is what is the commonality between all those different clients. The report represents who you are and what you're trying to say, and it represents the impact that your penetration testing is doing for that organization. I like to say, personally, I like to say that I don't get paid to do penetration testing. I get paid for the report. I've heard that before somewhere, but I don't know who I can attribute that to. But that's something that I've maintained for many years. It's an axiom. It's a maxim that I've used for many years, and I maintain that is really the key feature that really differentiates you from other penetration testers.
So as a team lead of penetration testers and red teamers, I'm assuming your technical skills are like they start to deteriorate. Is that a bad thing? Like, is it important to keep your technical skills sharp when you're in a leadership type position, or is it okay to like let them deteriorate a little bit and focus more on the management aspect of pen testing and red teaming?
So you're right. They do deteriorate. My skills atrophy a little bit. But I maintain my skills. It's unfortunate, really, because you only have 8 hours in a day to do your actual job. But in order for me to maintain my skills, I have to do extra hours and do hack the box or proving grounds from offsec, offensive security, and I have to maintain those skills there. But I don't think that you should let your skills atrophy too much. You need to maintain a stable relevance to your specific field, and it's hard to lead without having that knowledge and being able to represent your team on technical exchange meetings or any other type of executive meetings without knowing the material very well. So it's okay to let some of your skills atrophy a little bit, or 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 kind of go down a little bit, but you can't let them go down a lot. You gotta keep the skills up, and unfortunately, when you're a manager, uh, you rarely have time during your regular 8 hour day to maintain those skills. So you have to look at the weekends or after hours to actually maintain those skills. I hate to say that, but that's an unfortunate truth.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense to me, and yeah, I do. I I mean, I'm not a manager, but I do aspire to like be like a leader, and I do not want my technical skills to go away because I mean that's kind of like what got me in the field to begin with was my technical skills, and I the technical aspect is like one of the more fun aspects in my opinion. So yeah, I can see what you're saying there.